Ever found yourself staring at your Monzo balance, wishing someone would just magically fill it up? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the question, can someone actually transfer money to your Monzo account? Let's break it down. First things first, Monzo is a digital bank. It's like having a bank in your pocket. But can your friend, family member, or even that random person you met online send you money through it? The short answer is yes, they absolutely can. Now, let's talk about the different ways this can happen. Method 1, bank transfer. This is the classic way to transfer money. If someone has a UK bank account, they can easily send money to your Monzo account using your account number and sort code. It's like sending money to any other bank account, but with a cooler app. Method 2, Monzo to Monzo transfer. If the person you're expecting money from also has a Monzo account, it's even simpler. They can just find you in the app and send the money directly. It's like sending a digital hug with cash inside. Method 3, payment apps. There's a whole world of payment apps out there, and chances are, your friend or family member uses at least one. Apps like PayPal, Revolut, and even Apple Pay or Google Pay can be used to send money to your Monzo account. Just link your Monzo account to the payment app, and voila! Money transferred. Method 4, cash deposits. Okay, hear me out. While Monzo is a digital bank, you can still deposit cash into it. There are a few ways to do this. Some Monzo customers can use the post office to deposit cash, while others can use cash deposit machines. So, if someone wants to give you cash, they can deposit it into your Monzo account for you. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about security. Sending money digitally is super convenient, but it's important to be cautious. Only send money to people you trust. And if you're expecting a large sum of money, it's always a good idea to verify the sender's identity. Also, keep in mind that there might be fees involved, depending on the transfer method and the bank involved. So, it's worth checking the details before sending or requesting money. Now, you might be wondering about international transfers. Yes, you can receive money from abroad into your Monzo account. However, there are usually fees involved, and the exchange rate might not be the best. So, it's worth exploring other options like Wise or TransferWise for international transfers. To sum it up, getting money into your Monzo account is pretty straightforward. Whether it's from a friend, family member, or even a stranger, just kidding, there are multiple ways to do it. But remember, always prioritize security and be aware of potential fees. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.